Good morning, my dear students. Let's start our IP class. Hope you all are fine and we can start our class. What we have learned in the previous class, are you remembering it? We learned series attributes, series methods there. And we started the portion mathematical operations on series. Today, we can cover all the mathematical operations on series with examples. As mentioned earlier, there are four methods or four arithmetic operations are done in series. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in each case, you have to remember that in the case of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, the value at the corresponding positions are adding or subtracting. That means, suppose in a series there are two, in first series contain zeroth index element is 5 and in second series zeroth element is 2, then addition operation will give the result 7 because the addition is performed by adding corresponding pair of each elements. So adding corresponding pair means same position elements are added in the case of addition or subtraction in all operations. There are two types of operations in addition. That means either we can do by using plus operator or we can give a default function known as add. We can use both of these methods for addition, but the output will be sometimes slightly different. So let's start our addition operation with example. For this, in your textbook, there are some examples. By using that examples, we can explain addition. So in while performing mathematical operations on series, index matching is implemented and all missing values when we are using operator, that means plus, all missing values are substituted by NaN. This NaN. What is this NaN? Its name is not a number. That means if suppose in the first series zeroth element is 5 and in second series zeroth element, no element in zeroth position, then addition by using plus operator will give NaN as the answer because it takes the missing element as NaN. That means not a number. That is, while we are adding a number with not a number, then output will be not a number. That means NaN by default. Let's start with an example. Consider the following series in which there are two series are there. They are series A and series B. Suppose in series A there are elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and index we are supplied manually. If we didn't supply the index, then automatically index will be starting from 0. Here we are supplying an index. So here series is created by using array. We already discussed array. Series creation in three formats, that is by using array, by using scalar value and by using dictionary. In this example, we are using an array to create a series. So here index is supplied by us, which is A, B, C, D, E. If we will not supply, if we didn't supply the index, automatically the index will be as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But in this case, A, B, C, D, E are the index. So at the position of A, which value is supplied? Do you know? It's 1 because at the position index 1 is given. At the position B, 2. At the position C, 3. At the position D, 4. and at the position E 5. So this is our series A and it's of data type integer. Next we supplied series B because for addition operation at least two series will be needed. Any operation we need at least two series. That's why series B same as before values will be different and index also different. That means here at the 8th position minus 10 is there but there is no position B, D, etc. So set position 10, 5th position 20, 8th position minus 10, 6th position minus 50, 8th position 100. So while we are doing addition, what happened? Already told that same position elements are added. So we are giving A, B, C, D, E as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in series A. In series B, A is minus 10, B is nothing. B has no value, so it is taken as NaN. That means not a number. So B in series B, index A has value of minus 10. Index B, this index did not in series B, so it is left as blank. It is denoted as not a number. Index C minus 50 is there in series B. Index C minus 50. Index D nothing is there. Index E 100 is there, and there are another index known as Y and Z there 20 and 10. So here we are going to explain the plus operator, how this plus operator will work. Just simply add with the series name like series A plus series B, but the output we have to check the output. 1 plus minus 10 equal to minus 9. It's correct and it is in float form. 2 plus nothing. Nothing is taken as not a number. So output will be NaN. Here also we left as blank since series B didn't contain element at the position of D. Then not a number is the answer. E 100. And Y is Z. Series A does not contain elements, so its answer will be NaN. So this is the output of plus operator. I think you got this point. While we are using plus operator, if suppose one series does not contain elements, then it is taken as NaN. Another method is add method. Default method add is used. In this series A dot add, we already told in series operation we are always using dot operation to use a method. In previous cases also we use dot operator for head, tail, count and so on. So series A dot add inside bracket series B. Series B is the second series dot fill underscore value equal to 0. That means we are filling value to the position where there is no value. That is here we left as blank, but in this case we are filling value as 0. Then the output will be different. Of course the output will be different because 2 plus not a number will give NaN, but 2 plus 0 will give 2.0. So this is the output of series A plus series B by using add method and fill underscore value equal to 0. So here fill underscore value is used to fill specified value to the field where there is no value. So we don't want NaN values as the output. We can use series method add and parameter fill value to replace missing value. Here just replacing the missing value with 0. So these are the output while we are adding series A and series B. I think you got this addition operation. If you studied addition operation, subtraction will be simple. The same way as the previous case. We filled with, suppose this is our example. Then when we are using minus operator, 1 minus minus 10, which will be 1 plus 10 equal to 11 will be answer. 2 minus nothing, then NaN will be answer. So we can use subtraction operation, then we will get this answer according to the previous example. You can check, suppose at the value of E, what happened? We have to check here. Here value of 5 plus 5 minus 100, which is equal to 5 minus 100. What is the value? It is minus 95. It is in float format. There are another method known as sub method. Here we are using minus operator. Here we are using minus. Instead of that, we are using sub method. When we are using sub method, like in addition function, we can fill value, use fill value operation. And here, fill underscore value equal to 1000 means we are filling the value 1000 where already there is no values. That means missing values or the index which didn't contain any element is replaced by 1000. So what happened in this example? Suppose this is the example 4 minus in the dth position. What happened? 4 minus 1000 will give, what will be the output? 4 minus 1000. It is minus 996.0. So here also we use fill underscore value, just the same as addition. The only difference is here we are using minus operator. Fill value according to our wish. Next, multiplication of two series is the next question. Here multiplication, for multiplication star operator used as well as dot mul function is used. What happens? We use star operation. This is our example. 1 into minus 10 will give minus 10 as the result. 2 into not a number will give NaN as the result. We can check the result. So this is star operator. Here we used operator. If we are using multiplication method, what happens? We can fill value according to our wish. Here fill underscore value equal to 0. That means if an index did not contain any value, then it is replaced by 0. So the answer will be 0 into any number will give the answer as 0. So at bth position, dth position, y and z answer will be 0. Then next is division of two series. In this we can use divided by operator. Like before, series A is dividing by series B. Then what happened? 1 divided by minus 10. What will be the answer? First one minus 0.10, because 1 divided by 10 will give 0.10. Then it is negative, so the sign will be negative. Next number divided by not a number will give NaN and so on. We can use fill value in this case also by using the method div. We are using the method div. By using div, we can fill value according to our interest. Here we are using fill value 0. Then what happened? At bth position, what happened? Let's look. At bth position, 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 is not possible. So we call it as infinite. So INF is the output. So that are the four operations used in series. That is arithmetical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Hope you cleared the topic. Study well. Okay, thank you.